we got going on today? First off, big up to Sean for the t-shirt. Nice one. Sam, still waiting for yours, mate. You gotta send it. I know my chair's better, but still, that's just too bad, isn't it? Right, first up, got egg cutting. Cut a clutch from my male leopard lesser pastel orange dream to a female super pastel lesser. They pipped on day 49, which pretty early. Normally mine pip on day 54, but I'm just putting that down to the weather being so hot. Obviously the temperatures spiked now and then. What else we got? Oh, at the end of the video there'll be an update on those snakes now they're out of their eggs. Weigh them and try and suss out what genes they carry. Also got a rack build going on. Got some more snakes coming in a few weeks, so needed another rack for my 33 litres. So yeah, got that as well. And also our little visitor on Saturday just gone, Eloise. She came with her parents and sisters to pick up a snake. So I asked her mother's permission just to check on a couple of photos of Eloise holding a few of our snakes. She had no idea where she was going. Poor girl, she looked scared to death. But she enjoyed it. Anyway, let's crack on. There you go. Whoa. That does look like super pastel orange dream lesser maybe. It's got blue eyes. That's nice. Ooh. Right, next one. Come on, mate. His eggs. Jesus Christ, his eggs are full. And pop in. Good boy. Or girl, whatever. Oh, all them jeans. That's an orange dream. Nice and bright though. Don't know. Wait on that one. Come on, you. Another one that's pipped. A lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Bloody hell. No leopard so far, which weird from her Archie. He's usually nobody has loads, do they? Right. I'm probably the biggest egg we've ever had in it, this one. Longest anyway. There's the leopard. Leopard lesser. Pastel. Orange tree maybe? Have to wait for the head to pop round. All alive. Oh, huge. Proper stuff them eggs. Right, this is a quick update of the snakes that have recently emerged from their eggs. You've seen the egg cutting earlier in the video. So first off, got this little pastel orange dream female. Nice 76 grams there. All these snakes, quite chunky babies. But the mum was quite big. She only laid 5 eggs. One sadly went bad early into the incubation process. But the rest were big eggs. Yeah, she's a nice little girl. Right. Next up, it's this little boy. 79. He was the last one to pip, last one to emerge. Now this one I believe to be carrying the same genes as his dad. Lesser, leopard, pastel and orange dream. He's definitely got that orange dream glow to him. He's got some lovely markings too. As you can see, that there, it's just where the umbilical cord was. That'll heal up in no time. Nice little hook. Alien head. Yeah, nice little boy that one. Next up is this little girl. Let's see what we've got here. 76 grams again. And this one I'm not too sure about. Definitely a super pastel lesser. It has got the orange glow, orange dream glow to her. But yeah, she's really nice. Yeah. Nice chunky girl. Hopefully I can get them feeding after that. I'll try them a day or two after their first shed. Alright, this last one. Cream of the crop, as they say, I think. He's the smallest one. It's male. He was the first one to pip. They pipped on day 49, which I can only put down to the hot weather of late. Now this one, I believe, will carry all 5 genes. So that's super pastel, orange dream, leopard, and lesser. As you can see, definitely got that orange dream glow. Blue eyes as well, which threw me a bit. But a very nice little boy. Yeah, so like I said, hopefully these get feeding soon. And see how their colours develop once they've had their first shed. Anyway, thanks for hanging on till the end. See you soon.